Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me start this video by introducing myself. My name is Aditi Gupta and I am a 24-year-old travel enthusiast. I wanted to start my YouTube channel from quite a long time, but I was not able to decide on my niche. And it is said that the niche which you select is very important for the growth of your channel. In COVID, I used to think for a lot of topics like fitness, food, mental health, but then I was no expert in any of these areas. So at the end, I decided rather than thinking about popularity of a niche, I should start something that I love. I am very much involved into and will give me a lot of pleasure and happiness if I am able to succeed in that field. That is why I chose traveling. From a very young age, I was into traveling because my father was very fond of traveling. I remember when I was, I don't know the exact age, but when I was very young, I had already roamed around all of the South India because my father used to love traveling to South India. So I guess my love for traveling ranges back to that date. My love for traveling comes from my father's love of traveling. By the time I was 15 or 16, I had completed major portions of India. But then initially, when we used to travel, my father did not have any high-tech cameras or mobile phones. So we never recorded any video or took a lot of photos, nothing of that sort. So I don't have an account of it, only few photos, like when we went to Kashmir, there they have this thing of wearing their costume and then you can get clicked. So I have those photos, and then we went to Vaishno Devi. From that trip I have some of the photos. Then we went to Goa, Pondicherry, Kanyakumari. So two photos from each trip is something that I have. But then the way we document travel right now, in that way, none of the travels were documented because this travel industry was not very popular back then. Internet was not easily and readily available, and this travel domain was only for our own entertainment, our own stress relieving, and not something you can make money out of. At least in my family, nobody knew about it. I guess if my father knew how to monetize his love for travel, by the time he completed all his trips, he would have been a millionaire. But nevertheless, I feel that love has been inherited by me and I'm gonna take this forward. I wanted to keep this video very raw. No pitch was written by me. No ideas were initially thought before making this video because sometimes the thoughts and the ideas which come out of your mind are very pure and pious, and if you try to manipulate them, you actually lose the essence of it. So that is why I thought today I'm gonna pour my heart out. Today I'm gonna introduce myself on my YouTube channel, and from today I'm gonna actually start working on my YouTube channel and not just post the YouTube shorts, because it's very easy to post your reels on Instagram reels on your YouTube shorts, but then that is not something I want. That is something I love doing, but then I wanted to contribute to travel domain in some sense to explore my hobby of traveling. I would still say it is a hobby because I haven't been able to monetize it in any sense or dive into it completely. I would say I am into travel domain when I am actually doing some great contribution to this field. So yeah, I guess that was all about me, all about what I am, where I come from, where my love for traveling come from, and what is my path for future, what are my ideas. And yeah, stay tuned for a lot of content. Stay tuned for all my travel trips and all my travel tips. So that's it. Thank you guys. If you have been till the end, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. and see you. Bye bye.